Hi, my name is Alexandria Hobbs, Alex for short, and this is my short introduction. I have a background in biology. I achieved my Bachelor's of Science at Fresno State University. I have a certificate as an emergency medical technician or an EMT, and I'm also a certified dementia practitioner, and I went through rigorous training in the field of geriatrics and specifically dementia care. As a professional, I am a licensed nursing home administrator, which means that I run a skilled nursing facility, which is a subacute healthcare facility for mostly geriatric patients, as well as I see a lot of adult persons in the county of Madera. I also sit on the Madera County Mental and Behavioral Health Coalition, as well as the Madera County Emergency Management Coalition. So everything that I do truly plays into my public health master's, and I absolutely love doing my master's program while being so involved in the community because everything I do in my courses truly correlates over to my professional life. In my personal life, I'm getting married in 13 days, so it's been a lot of fun trying to manage that in my professional career as well as my master's program. So it'll be all over in 13 days and things should kind of quiet down. I also love doing DIY home remodel. We just purchased a home and we're remodeling our entire home ourselves, so that's definitely adding to the stress, but we're absolutely loving doing it. And I live with two wonderful dogs and my soon-to-be husband in Fresno, California. So my goals for this course are to hopefully study persons in Madera County, specifically the communities of either youth in Madera County or adults in Madera County. There's significant differences that I see just in my professional life as well as through my studies and the data that I've seen. So those are definitely two communities that I'm interested in learning more about. My hope is to bring back any of my experiences from this course back to the coalitions that I'm a part of, as well as improve my understanding of the county that I serve. Thank you so much, and I look forward to working with you guys.